Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken Parmesan pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of tomato marinara sauce, 4 cups of bowtie pasta, 2.5 cups of chicken broth. We need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you want to divide that. I have 2 chicken breasts cut into cubes, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and also 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. To our chicken breast, we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic powder and also our salt. And you just want to mix that together until it's well combined. Next, to a large oven-safe skillet, you want to put it over medium heat, and you want to add your olive oil in, and we're going to let that come to temperature. And guys, this is a 1-pot meal. Once your oil has come to temperature, we're going to begin to add in our chicken breast. We're going to let our chicken breast cook 4 to 5 minutes, and you want it to get lightly brown. Okay guys, once lightly browned, we're going to add in our minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and our red pepper flakes. And you just want to mix that and let it cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to add in our chicken broth. You want to mix it, and you want to scrape any brown bits that are on the bottom of your skillet. Now we're going to let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you want to add in your marinara sauce. And we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we can add in our bowtie pasta. And guys, always remember, taste as you go along to make sure it's seasoned to your liking. Once you put your pasta in, mix until well combined and lower your heat to medium-low. Now we're going to place our lid over top, and you want to let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the pasta is al dente. Okay guys, after 12 minutes, you can remove the lid and you can turn off your heat. You want to now set your oven to broil. And now we're going to take our mozzarella cheese and place it over top. Now to a small bowl, you want to add in your shredded Parmesan cheese, your panko breadcrumbs, and also your tablespoon of olive oil. And you want to mix that until it's well combined. Now you want to take your Parmesan cheese mixture and we're going to sprinkle it over top of the mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, now you want to place it in your oven on broil for 4 minutes until it gets lightly brown and bubbly and the panko crumbs are crunchy. I'm using my Power XL broiler. Okay guys, so look how beautiful this came out. The top is nice and crispy. Okay guys, so this is our chicken Parmesan pasta. It's a one-pot recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Y'all hungry yet?